In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable design ideas in PowerPoint 2019, PowerPoint 365, and PowerPoint 2016 using a simple registry fix that can solve the issue when the Design Ideas button is missing or not working. If your designer feature has disappeared, is grayed out, or simply won't activate, this step-by-step method can help restore it quickly. Make sure you follow each step carefully because we'll be working inside the Windows registry. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint and Office fixes. Let's get started. First, go down to your Windows taskbar and click on the search button. In the search bar, type Registry Editor. You'll see Registry Editor appear in the search results. Now this part is important. Instead of just clicking it normally, look to the right side of the search results and click on Run as Administrator. This ensures you have the proper permissions to make system-level changes. If Windows prompts you with a user account control message asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. The Registry Editor window will now open. Inside Registry Editor, you'll see folders listed on the left-hand side. These folders are called registry keys. Scroll carefully until you locate H key Current User. Once you find it, click the small arrow next to it to expand the folder. After expanding H key Current User, scroll down and locate the folder named Software. Click the arrow next to Software to expand it as well. Now continue scrolling down through the list until you find Microsoft. Click on Microsoft to expand that folder. Under the Microsoft folder, scroll down until you see Office. Click to expand the Office folder. Inside, you may see different version numbers depending on your installed Office version, such as 16.0 for Office 2016 and Microsoft 365. Expand the correct version folder and then look for the PowerPoint folder inside it. Once you locate PowerPoint, click on it so it's highlighted. Now here's the key step that can fix the Design Ideas issue. Right-click on the PowerPoint folder and select Delete. Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to permanently delete this key and all of its subkeys. Click Yes to confirm. Don't worry, deleting this PowerPoint registry key will not uninstall PowerPoint. It simply resets PowerPoint's configuration settings, which can resolve issues like Design Ideas not appearing or not functioning correctly. After deleting the folder, close the Registry Editor completely. Now, restart your computer. This step is important because it allows Windows and Office to refresh the settings properly. Once your computer restarts, open PowerPoint again and create a new blank presentation. Go to the Design tab at the top of the screen. On the right-hand side, you should now see the Design Ideas button. Click on it and the Designer panel should open with layout suggestions. If you're connected to the internet and signed into your Microsoft account, Design Ideas should now be fully functional. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Design Ideas in PowerPoint 2019, 365, or 2016 using the Registry Editor method. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Microsoft Office tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.